Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how dates are stored in Excel. So when you type in date field in Excel, it gets converted automatically to a serial number and is stored as a number in Excel, which means each day is going to be a whole number and the starting date for Excel is 1st of January 1900. So 1st of January 1900 is going to be 1, 2nd of January 1900 is going to be 2, and so on and so forth until 22nd of April 2021 is going to be 44,308. So how is a field with date and time value stored? In this case, the date with time field will be converted into a decimal number, and the decimal part of this number contains the time value. Now, an hour is converted to 1 by 24 times, and a minute is converted to 1 divided by 24 into 60, which means 9:30 a.m. is going to be 0.395833. So in total, 22nd of April, 9:30 a.m. is going to be 44,308.395833. Let's see this in Excel. So I've already created an Excel file here, and I'm just going to type 22nd of April here. Here you see the number, the equivalent number for the 22nd of April is 44,308. And when I type 22nd April 9:30 a.m., it's going to give me the same answer which I showed you before. This way, operations with the dates are simpler in Excel. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.